Hi, I'm Steve Root. This is Root's Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms. We've just had a new hob fitted in our displays. It's an induction hob by NEFF, a T66TS6RN0. This came with a feature we didn't expect. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi. In my defence, the NEFF brochure doesn't say that it has Wi-Fi built into it, and the instruction manual says this is a new feature being launched at the end of 2018, which makes this probably one of the first hobs in the country. It does bring up three questions though. The first is, why do we need Wi-Fi built into a hob? The second is, how does it work? And the third is, what can we actually do with it? Well, the why I think is fairly straightforward. The whole world is becoming more interconnected, and home automation systems will be able to talk to devices like hobs and ovens and allow us to more control and flexibility. How does it work? Well, let's look at that. You install the hob in the normal way and then follow the instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. After that, you need an app called Home Connect. It's a free app, and once you've installed it and registered as a user, it will search the network and find appliances. In this case, it sees that I've already registered a hob, but the hob is switched off. When I switch the hob on, it finds it straight away. I can use the app to set a zone and then set a power level for that zone. Let's go for 4.5, press done, and I can send that power to the hob, and you'll notice that the hob zone starts flashing. It won't do anything until somebody is at the hob and can press the button and say, yes, this is what I want. Now, just as easy, if you're at the hob, is to press the button and change it by hand. So the interesting thing is when we start looking at the other settings this app has, things like a cookery book. In the cookery book, there's lots of different recipes, and those recipes have been set up with settings that can be transferred to the hob. So I looked last night, found the simplest recipe I could, breaded feta sticks. I went out and I bought the ingredients, and then we can follow the instructions now and see if it works. I'm going to go off and prepare this. The interesting thing is going to be when we get to number 4, the adjustment values, and sending the settings to the hob. So I'll go and prepare, and then I'll be back in a second. So I've done the preparation. Now we need to send the values. Heat the frying pan as indicated. After the acoustic signal, add the cooking oil and breaded feta pieces. Well, I've done this wrong already because I've already added the oil. Let me go and reset that. Heat the frying pan as indicated. After the acoustic signal, add the oil and then breaded feta pieces. So let's turn the hob on. Let's click adjustment levels, send. Oh, it's asking which zone, which is the correct one. Click OK. Oh. There we are. Now we wait for the acoustic signal. There's the acoustic signal, so let's add a bit of oil. Hope that's enough. And then our breadsticks. That one broke in two. And if you've counted 7 instead of 8, that's because I made one wrong. So this has taken a bit longer than I thought, although I just checked the recipe again and it said about 7 to 10 minutes of frying. So I'm thinking these are done. Let's take a couple from the middle, take the pan off the heat. I think that one could probably go back the other way actually. I'll leave it as it is. Let's add some bread and go find somebody to try it.
Give it a go.
I'd blow. Are they cooked?
They're quite hot.
Would you like some water?
Really nice.
Excellent, so apparently I can use a Wi-Fi hob. I'm qualified. Well, I thought they were delicious, but then I like anything with cheese and bread. If you can't cook, like me, maybe a Wi-Fi connected hob will help you. I'm Steve Root, this is Root's Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms.